Let's begin with today's IEP goals. Goal number 1, English, language arts, and reading. Objectives. By the end of 9 instructional weeks given visual, verbal, and model prompts, Reynaldo will read, listen to a sentence describing an action verb, and change the sentence verbally to the verb's past tense at a rate of 70% accuracy. Let's move on and begin. Past tense verbs. Number 1. Today I will watch television. Yesterday. Number 2. Today I will fix my tire. Yesterday I. Number 3. Today I will see my sister. Yesterday I. Number 4. Today I will purchase a car. Yesterday I. Number 5. Today I will go to a baseball game. Yesterday I. Let's move on to the next activity. Today I will brush my dog's hair. Yesterday I. Number 2. Today I will do my homework. Yesterday I. Number 3. Today I will use my bike. Yesterday I. Number 4. Today I will turn on my TV. Yesterday I. Number 5. Today I will go to the hospital. Yesterday I. Alrighty, we're done for today with IEP goal number 1. Let's switch over to goal number 2. Objectives. By the end of 9 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, and model prompts, after making an inference about a grade level text or being helped to find one if needed, Reynaldo will underline the pieces of the text that gave clues to the inferences at a rate of 70% accuracy. Inferences Worksheet 3. Directions. Read each passage and then respond to the questions. Each question will ask you to make a logical inference based on textual details. Explain your answer by referencing the text. Ryan was looking forward to sleeping over at his friend Robert's house. Though they had been classmates for a while, the two had only recently become good friends. Ryan packed up his sleeping bag, a pillow, and a few of his favorite toys and games, and then his mom dropped him off at Robert's. Robert met Ryan on the porch, and the two did their secret handshake and started playing right away. First they played pirates in Robert's tree fort. Next they played ninjas in the driveway. Then it was getting dark and they went inside of Robert's house. As soon as they walked in the house, Ryan's eyes started getting red and itchy. He saw a big orange cat sitting on the couch. Then he started sneezing uncontrollably. "I'm sorry, Robert. It's been a lot of fun, but I have to call my mom." Number 1. Why do Ryan's eyes get red and itchy when he walks into Robert's house? After you answer this question, on the box below, answer this. How do you know this? Number 2. Why does Ryan want to call his mother? The box below, how do you know this? Next passage, sorry. "William, don't forget your towel," Mom shouted as she applied sunblock on the baby. William threw the folding chairs in the back of the minivan and shouted through the garage door, "Okay, Mom." Then he ran up and grabbed his towel. "Georgie, William shouted. There was no response. Mom packed the baby up into the car seat. William, can you help me with this umbrella? William ran down the stairs, almost tripping over a chew toy, and then he helped his mother load the large umbrella in the minivan. Mom, I can't find George, William said. His mother shrugged and replied, That's okay, William. He probably shouldn't come with us anyway. Number 3. Where are Mom and William going? On the box below, how do you know this? Number 4. Who is Georgie? On the box below, how do you know this? Upon completion, please make sure you send me a picture so I can upload these files to Teams. Thank you.